It's Wednesday. You know what that means. I actually forgot. Let me check my daily planner. It's crypto news. That's right. I'm your host, Andrew. This is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny shot of daily crypto news, and we've got a lot to go over today. So let's just get started. First up, your daily slice of price. Bitcoin has managed to hit $38,000 as the crypto markets continue their recovery for a second day. At the time of reading, Bitcoin has risen by 4.77% over the past 24 hours. Ether and Binance Coin are outperforming, up 8.52% and 6.13% respectively. On Wednesday, markets rallied ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting, where economists are expecting to indicate interest rates will begin rising in March. Bloomberg Intelligence's Mike McGlone, who continues to maintain an upbeat tone on Bitcoin, believes Bitcoin will prevail in the upcoming 12 months, but warns that smaller altcoins could face aggressive sell-offs similar to the internet purge in the 2000 era. McGlone went on to compare Dogecoin and SHIBA INU with the likes of AOL and Pets.com. Looking ahead, $30,000 is regarding as key support for Bitcoin, and indeed, Bitcoin did manage to bounce off $33,000 on Monday. El Salvador is being urged to abandon Bitcoin as legal tender. The International Monetary Fund says the cryptocurrency's use creates large risks when it comes to financial stability, financial integrity, and consumer protection. In a statement, the IMF went on to warn El Salvador's public debt is projected to reach 96% of GDP in 2026, describing it as an unsustainable path. Nayib Bukele was characteristically dismissive of the warning, responding with a meme from The Simpsons. Diem, the digital currency that Facebook wanted to launch, is dead. And no, that's not a renaming cop-out like the Ethereum 2.0 story from yesterday. Bloomberg News claims that the Diem Association is considering whether to begin selling its intellectual property, and engineers who worked for the project may be moved to other companies. Bloomberg's sources claim this amounts to cashing out whatever value remains in the embattled project, which has faced a staunch pushback from regulators since its inception. And finally, break out that crystal ball, because a single Bitcoin could be worth $1.36 million by 2030, according to the bullish new report by ARK Invest. However, this hinges on increased adoption among countries, asset managers, and companies in the S&P 500. Overall, ARK Invest argues that Bitcoin has significant appreciation potential, and its total market cap could scale 25 times over the next decade. At the time the report was being prepared, Bitcoin had a market cap of $1.1 trillion, compared with $10 trillion for gold and $106 trillion for global equities. And hey, speaking of significant appreciation, you can show that by liking this video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and clicking on that little bell icon to get buzz whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. And while we're still on the subject of appreciation, the unsung hero of crypto dwells in the description below. That's right, it's Alex, and you can ask them if you have any questions about our headlines or crypto in general. I've once again been your host, Andrew. This has been your Crypto News Headlines, and we'll see ya tomorrow.